Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Fernando, and today we're looking at Olight's newest light, the Arkflex, in addition to the Arkfeld series, with the newest feature of an articulating 90-degree head that will literally blow your head off. No pun intended. Let's get right into it. What do we have inside the Arkflex box? We have your user manual, your safety warnings packet, MCC1A magnetic charging cable, and of course, your Arkflex. Okay, let's go over some of its features. The Arkflex main feature is the articulating head that folds 90 degrees. And the head is very sturdy, so it is not flimsy at all. The tension makes it resilient enough so that it stays put, but it's easy enough to be able to push it. What is interesting though is that Olight put it under 10,000 plus swivel test, continuously going back and forth, meaning that it has lasting coverage. Now the body is uniformed, very slim, and very easy to use as a pocket flashlight. On each side, you see that it has very nice knurling for easy grip, and the power button has a braille texture to easily recognize it and find it if you're in the dark. It has a dual LED that produces a very high efficient cool white beam. It has 5 brightness levels: moonlight, low, medium, high, and double press for turbo, and special mode strobe. And it also features a lockout mode, as you can see by the red indicator. It has a maximum lumen output of 1000 lumens, plenty of light for an EDC flashlight, and a max throw of 93 yards with a max intensity of 1900 candela. Now the body is made from durable aluminum alloy, and one of my favorite parts about it is the big deep carry pocket clip. It is a little bit thicker and a lot longer than the other Arkfeld models. Thanks to its thin profile alongside this very long pocket clip, this makes it a great EDC pocket light. Now inside is a built-in 150 milliamps per hour 3.7 volt lithium ion battery that is rechargeable through the magnetic tail switch right there. The dimensions are 4.25 inches in length, 1.18 inches in width, and a thickness of 0.67 inches, and weighs only about 3.56 ounces. It is impact resistant up to 1 meter, and it is IPX7 waterproof. It has a battery level indicator right there in the front that conveniently tells you how much battery percentage it has, and it seems to stay on throughout the entire time it is on. For constant on, it is greater or equal to 75%, 3 constant on 50% is 75%, 2 constant on 25 to 50%, 1 constant on green 10 to 25%, and 1 constant on red less than 10%. Now, like I said, simplicity is key, and this slide is very easy to use. To turn it on, you simply press and hold the power button, and you'll have access to the 1.5 lumen moonlight mode, and then you press and hold to cycle through the different ones: low, medium, and high. And then to access turbo mode, you just double press, and you have turbo mode right there, or if it's off, double press from off, access turbo, and then triple press for strobe mode, as well as when it's off, triple press and you access strobe mode right there. It does have lockout mode. You just press and hold the power button and you will see a single red LED turn on. That means it's locked out. So if I were to press it, nothing happens. Double press, it shows you it's locked out. To get out of locked out mode, you just press and hold again and it will turn on the light. And like I said, I really love the way you can just adjust the angle of the light. And with this deep dual pocket carry clip and the way this head articulates 90 degrees, it is so convenient and very versatile light to use. Okay, now let's go outside and test this out for some beam shots. Starting in moonlight mode, we have 1.5 lumens for a runtime of 10 days. Here we have low mode for 15 lumens with a runtime of 38 hours. Next is 100 lumens with 6 hours and 50 minutes of runtime. Next is high mode at 400 lumens that then steps down to 60 lumens for a 90-minute runtime, then to 10-minute runtime. Next is turbo at 1000 lumens for a runtime of 4 minutes, then steps down to 400 lumens for an extra 90 minutes. Now, I don't know about you, but that is definitely more than enough than you would really need. And with the articulating head of being able to tilt 90 degrees. I can literally push this down and tilt it. With the two dual way deep pocket clip, I can easily strap it on my backpack like so. I can literally point it in any direction that I want with the ability to move the head towards the direction that I want to, say, perhaps walk my dog and be hands-free, and even tilt it up if I have to be able to look up, say I lost the ball in the trees or something. All in all, this is such a beautiful and versatile light, but what I really like about it is the fact that it's very simple. It doesn't have the laser or the UV capabilities. It's pretty simple in its use, but very powerful, very thin, with the longer pocket clip that makes it very easy to use as a deep carry pocket light. And with its newest addition of the 90-degree articulating head, this is very versatile for many different scenarios. It is very useful for hands-free experience in many different cases, such as working on your car or in your garage, or if you're walking your dog and you want to put this on your backpack strap or on your cap and you want to tilt the head down, you can very much do so. At first, I didn't know how I felt about the button disappearing from the front and going to the side, but given the situation and the feature of the articulating head, it kind of makes sense, because if you're right-handed per se and you push it down, you can easily just move it this way to tilt it down, and now you have access to the side light, which makes it a lot easier than having to press in the front. I definitely think this is a very popular light from what I've seen. And in my opinion, I definitely would consider using this as my next EDC light. That's pretty much it for this video. If you guys liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more updates and newest lights. Let me know what you guys think about the Arkflex. Is it overhyped, or is it just what you thought it would be? If you are interested, I left the link for this product in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.